Hello everyone, this is Engineer Vasudha and today I am going to make a demo video for web development course. So welcome to the web development demo video with Engineer Vasudha. So first of all, question arises, what is web development? Web development is making of websites. Websites are online platforms we can see on internet, we can work on internet. The online platforms we open on our google.com, or you can say any this web of browser, like it can be Google Chrome, it can be Opera, it can be Mozilla Firefox and so on. Any browser when we work on, we open websites, right? What we see on our screen, that is the front end of the website, and all these are developed using web development languages. Web development languages are multiple, it is combination of multiple languages. When we have to make a fully fledged websites, we have to go for multiple languages together, right? But if we want to develop a working basic website, we can develop using three languages. It is HTML, CSS and JavaScript. HTML, CSS and JavaScript. With that, we can make a fully fledged basic website which is working. Okay, so now I will tell you what we do in our web development course. So welcome to this. Web development is basically mixture of three things. So three terms make the combination, and then fully fledged website is created. So there are three terms to deal with: structure, style and behavior. A one website is described by these three keywords. Structure is the structure of a page. Let me give example of a normal human being first. In a real life, a human being is there, means a person is there. So what will be the structure of that man? The body structure, right? What is the appearance of the body? That is the structure of that person. Next, style is how that person gets styled by dressing up, how dresses they how what type of dresses he wear, how the dresses are impacting his look. That is the style of that person. Behavior is how are the actions of that person, how he acts, how he speaks, how he is doing the task. That is the behavior of a person. The same way, a website is also categorized in these three terms. Structure is the look, the basically what content is over their website. So content of website is structure. The designing of the website comes under styling. Colors, background colors, the text styles, font styles, the images, the how the text is visible on the screen, that is style. Behavior is function of the website, what kind of function is operated by, is done by the website. That is a behavior of the website, that is a function of the website. If I talk about a normal website, so I will show you. I will open a facebook.com. Okay, so this is the page, right? So this Facebook is written over here, this a paragraph is written over here, then there is a some text boxes over here for filling the data, and then there is a button for clicking login, and then there is a button for create new account, then there is a link for forgotten password. This all comes under the structure of the website. Coloring, like the background color is something, this is the back border over that, the color of the text box, the background, the button color, and when we are taking our cursor on that, it's a little bit color is getting changed. That all comes under styling. Next is behavior. Behavior is when we fill the information over here and we click on login button, then if our email ID and passwords are correct, then we go to home page. But if by mistake email ID and password is not correct or does not exist in the uh, database of the Facebook's company, then they will print a message over here, the email ID and password is not correct, so try again, right? This type of actions, whether the login should be successful or not, that comes under behavior of the website. Okay, so this is how a website is divided into three parts: structure, styling, and behavior. Okay, fine. Now, structure of the website is created using HTML. The designing of a website is done using CSS. The full form of these I will tell you. And the behavior of the website is described by JavaScript. The full form of HTML is Hypertext Markup Language, and the full form of CSS is Cascading Style Sheet, which is responsible for styling of the web pages. JS is JavaScript, which is responsible for deciding the behavior of the website, how the web pages will behave in different operations, on clicking on the button, on doing some task, what decision should be done by the web pages or web servers. That is described by JavaScript, means that part of code is done using JavaScript. Okay, now let's do the example. So I will use online compiler for showing you the examples. So the structure the structure of the web page is like, we start with HTML tag, and then that is closed at the last, and then within we have two parts of the HTML. One is head and other is body. The head tag is for specifying the description about the web page. Like if I want to give a title for my web page, so I will give a title, and then I will write, suppose I'm making a web page for a dog, suppose. Okay, so that is the title, a dog. Then in body, whatever we write over here, it will be printed on the output screen. So h1 tag is for heading, so here I am writing a web page for dog. So this one I have given a heading. So then I am writing a paragraph. So that paragraph, suppose a dog is a good animal, anything I can just write over here. Dog is loving, caring, and attractive animal. A dog behave as a family members. Okay, just it's enough. So when I will click on the run button, this all text will be shown on the screen. So this is the heading and this is the paragraph I have written. I can make the text style also. If I want to do the colors, so that I can do that also. Style is equals to color. First of all, I will give that color. Let's do it red. Okay, so press on the, so you can see the text color for this one is that. And even I can mention text align colon center. So text alignment is center. The same if I want to align the center text for full body, so I can mention over here style is equals to text align center. So whole text will be centered align, like this. Okay, Even we can put images on the web page, or we can change the text color for paragraph as well by using the same thing. How to put an image? So img is the tag for that. src is equals to, so we have to take an image. So I will take the image address from here, and I will uh, do that over here, paste it over here. Okay, so image source is this one, and I will mention the height and uh, width of the image so that it doesn't take a lot of space over the screen. 100 pixel, and width also I will specify 100 pixels. You can just change it according to your need. Okay, and then closing brackets, and then it's done. So run the code. So you can see image is over there. You can change the size according to you. Even you can put some moving text over the web page. Suppose I want to move this image on my web page, so I can use one more tag. Marquee tag is there, and okay, I will close it over here. That is for image. So this image will be moved on my screen from right to left. This is not working for that. Okay, this is closing over here. So this is now image is moving. So this is how we can make website. This is the basic one I have just shown in my demo video. We can do a lot of more tasks over here. We can make blinking text, we can do styling, background color, we can do. Okay, so this is just the introduction, like what, how we do the things. Everything will be explained in the program. Every keyword will be explained properly. So this is all for the demo class. So okay, okay, bye bye, see you soon.